show me a bit at the display there?
The display, for sure. So it's very similar to the Rs5. This is called the Audi Virtual Cockpit.
Yeah.
And it has our gas gauges, our Bluetooth, our infotainment, media such as if you're playing a CD or AM, FM satellite. You also have your phone if it was connected via Bluetooth, so you could call on board using these controls where my left thumb is, just up on here. You can also display your maps. Now this is a really cool feature. It actually allows you to simplify what you have on your main screen, so you don't have to glance over to your right, you can just glance up and down. I have it on my car, I love it, all my clients love it. It's something that most people who own Audis, new Audis, opt out for. In this vehicle, we have a package that I like quite a bit. It's the Alcantara design package. Not only does this car have red stitching, which you can see all throughout here, on your seat, on the seat behind you, on the mesh, but it also has it throughout the door. And then over to the left-hand side, it has it through the door here. Okay, it has the RS design package. So it has the Alcantara for your steering wheel. You also have the Alcantara design red accents, even through the shift boot. It's a very nice subtle way to just let you know that this car is a little bit sportier, giving the subtle hints of red throughout.
And it keeps a flow through all the car.
Exactly, it's a nice contrast.
Yeah.
Shall we do a launch?
Okay, let's do it.
You ready?
Okay. Launch control.
Launch control up. Pretty crazy.
Oh, that's awesome.
Okay.
That's so much fun.
I know, man. We'll get a nice exhaust clip down here.
We'll make it pop.
Oh yeah, we will. Downshift.
Yeah.
That's my favorite part about this transmission is the S-tronic dual clutch transmission. It's very similar to the transmission that's found in R8s and actually Lamborghinis.
Oh, really? Yeah.
It's very, very quick, state-of-the-art technology. That car is a car that got me into Audi. My first car was a 2001 Audi A4. It's beautiful. I love it. I love the wheels. It's nice and wide. It looks like it's an exhaust. I'm gonna go really hard around this corner. The harder you accelerate the corner, the more downforce, the more power
it pushes.
It pushes. It's crazy.
Yeah.
And the red stitching, the Alcantara design package. Even have the red accents on the seatbelts.
Yeah, I saw it. It's nice, the attention to detail. I love it.
Go ahead.
of turbos, huh?
Yeah, big
Oh,
single turbo 5-cylinder.
Oh,
you can hear
you
it.
can hear it. It's filmed that.
That's cool. Pretty wicked, eh?
Oh,
Crazy brakes.
this one.
Pretty wicked, eh?
Oh, brakes
Crazy
working
brakes.
on this one.
Yeah.
And there you have it, guys. That's a short peek to the RS3 here, kind of the track one, but yeah, it's pretty wicked. So it's awesome, dude. I love that car. Okay, you guys have a good one.